So welcome to our day one of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, right? Now, before I say any other thing, I want to first and foremost say happy new month to you beautiful people, and happy Independence Day to Nigerians, both in Nigeria and in diaspora, right? So today, guys, I've saved my own 1,000 using this platform called Cowrywise, right? Now, that I'm using Cowrywise does not mean that you also going to or must use Cowrywise. Just like I said before today that we started the 90-day challenge, I said you can make use of any fintech platform of your choice, be it Cowrywise, be it PiggyVest, be it OP, any fintech platform that you know that is going to give you interest, because the goal is not just to save money every single day for the period of 90 days. The goal is also to, as we are saving the money, so as we are going to be getting interest on our savings. And that's the reason why I said saving and investing the sum of 1,000. And for me to say the sum of 1,000, that is just what I decided to be saving every single day for the period of 90 days for this our 90-day challenge. Okay, but you don't need to save that same 1,000. If you have more than that, or if you can be able to save more than that every single day for period of 90 days, then you can go ahead. But if you think the money is going to be the issue, then don't save even up to 1,000. You can decide to save 500 naira. You can decide to save 200 naira, 100 naira, 50 naira, guys. You can even decide to save 5 naira. Yes, as low as it can be right now. So you don't have any excuse that will make you not to join this challenge. Now, I'm going to give us a bonus tip on what is going to keep us consistent in order to get to the point or end of this 90-day challenge of saving and investing money every single day for 90 days. Now, one of the tips I'm going to give you that is going to keep you consistent is by automating your savings. Now, what do I mean by automating your savings? You are going to do it in a way, I'm doing it already, so you are going to do it in a way that either platform you are going to be making use of is going to automatically debit that amount you want to be saving every single day from your local bank account and then send it over to the fintech platform you are going to be using, be it Cowrywise, be it PiggyVest, be it OP, be it PamPay, as long as they are going to be giving you interest, because I recommend platform or fintech platform that is going to be giving you interest every single day for sending that to your money. Okay, so that is one tip that is going to keep you consistent. Another tip that is going to keep you consistent is stopping impulse spending, overspending. Let me put it that way. So you have to cut down on your expenses or the way you spend money, because it takes someone that has money to be able to invest. So if you don't get money, how you won't get money to invest? So you have to cut down on your expenses so you can be able to stay consistent in this 19-day challenge of saving and investing 1,000. I'm saying 1,000 because that is what I'm using, so I'm just saying it for the sake of the video. All right, so I've saved my own for today. Okay, so I want to know, have you saved your own money? If yes, let me know in the comment section. If you have not started, let me know the reason why you are here to start. Of course, every single thing I've told you here, I don't think you will have excuse to not to join us on this challenge. Okay, if you don't know how to go about starting it, let me know in the comment section. I really want to know what your problem is going to be. If you have saved, let me know how much you've saved. If you have not started, let me know the reason why you've not started in the comment section. I really want to interact with you. Now, in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to make money for yourself, more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then go ahead and click on this video you are seeing on the screen right now, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys. Yes, keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, we'll go again tomorrow, guys. Bye.